How long have you looked, searched, waited for year-round lake house, East Grand, Maine real estate? Want a family vacation property in Maine for fishing, swimming, outdoor trail riding? Looking for low-cost cabin-like simple Maine waterfront property? Just listed, 4-season East Grand Lake house to use year-round and to rent out for profit when you can't get up to your camp in Maine. See your drilled well? This one's got a 1,000-gallon septic too, and it's tucked away. You could blow by this driveway very easily. Year-round lake house, East Grand, Maine real estate. A cabin-like property for family vacations and outdoor waterfront fun. This one's hidden. You've got trees protecting it, sheltering it. So you get the seclusion of big lot, but then you go out front, you have a right of way to the lake. You can play on that, 22,000 acres or more? Big lake. It's got a little storage shed too. Another one for your lawnmowers and your four-wheelers. About 15 by 10 with a roll-up door. Go up the ramp, put your four-wheelers, fishing tackle, life jackets, all the outdoor toys in this little shed. You're right, not quite as fancy, but it's got a good asphalt roof. It's extra storage. Looks kind of like a building they used in MASH. I like this one. See the angles? This one's a different design. If you're not out on East Grand Lake, this is where you want to be parked, enjoying a meal or talking on that screened-in porch. Those are Anderson sliders. This is about 12 by 11. And you don't have to go through the lake cottage to get to the deck. You can go right out a screen door on both sides. How would you use this place? How many loved ones would you have on this deck? How many chairs around the ring of fire for those nightly talks? Make comments down below, and where are you watching from? Make a comment. Put that in the comments, please. It's like over 1,200 square feet. You've got about 720 on the first level. This is all open. You've got a wrap-around table bar, so you got 3 stools. Opens to the dining room, opens to the living room that has cathedral ceilings and a loft. So you've got a first floor bedroom, first floor full bath. Upstairs you got a half a bath. You've got 2 more bedrooms, and then there's another insulated room, not really knotty pined like the rest. But it's got lights, power, and it could be knotty pine and made it into a nursery or a walk-in closet. See how open the living room is? This is from the balcony, up above. Rustic balcony and stairway. There's no wasted halls, did you notice that? 6-panel pine doors. So to recap, you come in from an open porch entry. You have to make a big decision on, do we eat inside, out on the open deck, on the screened-in porch? Pretty easy on a day like today. Let's eat out on the porch. Or flip a coin, maybe this rear deck. Empire gas heater, vented right outside. There is a gas log heater stove too. She's well insulated, over 1,200 very carefully laid out feet of living space. The gas fireplace heater stove Does a good job because it's an all open living space. Square footage. First floor bedroom on the Maine lake place. Leave a note on your door as you run away that says up to camp in Maine. Can't or don't want to climb stairs? Want to be real handy to the bathroom? This bedroom checks off those boxes. Fiberglass shower, not a tin can that's rusted. A lot of camps, you feel like you're at camp, kind of gamey. This one's got all the creature comforts, even a washer and a dryer for extended stay. Half bath upstairs, full bath on the first level. Your utility closet, where the washer and the water heater are. More 6-panel pine doors. You've got high-speed internet, Fidium, which means speed of thought. Work out on the deck. Heck, you're out on a boat. They don't know that you're up in Maine unless you tell them. Mix business and pleasure. Working remotely online. Bring your job with you. Take a break, but still be tuned in and online. You are wall-to-wall internet connected, not lost from the outside world. Second bedroom, wood floor, overlooks the balcony of the living room. Your half bath. The balcony connects to bedroom number 3. More wooden floors, probably spruce, knotty pine on the walls, all native woodwork. Here's an insulated about 10 by 10 room. Could have been a nursery, could have been a walk-in closet. It's the utility room, storage attic. Really easy to put some knotty pine that you put up once and is low maintenance. No sheetrock to paint or crack. That's your upstairs. What do you think of the vacation place in Maine? 30 by 24. See how it's up on sonotube so it'll breathe? Insulated windows, insulated walls with fiberglass. 2 lots really, and lots of woods. You're surrounded by woods. Year-round lake house, East Grand, Maine real estate. A cabin-like property for family vacations and outdoor waterfront fun. You know the drill. Please like the video, make a comment, subscribe to our channel. Please share this video. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Moores. Thanks for watching the Maine Real Estate video channel.